draining the water heater without having an air path will open the relief valve, basically to allow air to enter and see the difference in the outlet flow. Yep. Basically, this right now, since everything is closed, so the air fills in here and give it the push needed. Actually, before that, the empty place in the water tank, as the water gets lower and lower, becomes a void, and hence the effective pressure on the surface of the water becomes less and becomes extremely hard to push that. So yeah, just an interesting how physics works in practice, which is basically, by the way, a practical advice. If you want to drain your water heater during winter, make sure you have an open path somehow. That is kind of the easiest way to do it, instead of opening maybe some union upsides or other things. But yeah, cool stuff.